friends, this is the second part of the video where are aliens, and as I told in the previous video that in this part we are going to see about the scientific facts related to alien life, or more specifically here we will say extraterrestrial life. Well, no need of getting confused with this word extraterrestrial. The meaning of this word is things which belong outside of the planet Earth. And yes, if you have not seen the first part of the video, then I will suggest you to check it out first. Without delaying any further time, let's move to our actual content. Before starting the actual presentation, I want to share a few things with you. Recently, I have attended this masterclass of astronomy by Spaconova, and this masterclass was about star and planet formation. Well, due to copyright issues, I am not supposed to share the PPT or the video of that class, but yes, I can share the informations with you. So if you are very much interested in research and science-like topic, then you should subscribe this channel. Soon I will be making videos on those topics also.
Okay, so in this part we are going to cover up the scientific explanations of extraterrestrial life, or you can say the alien life. After watching this video, you will be having a clear idea about this concept. Talking about our agenda of this video, the following topics we are going to cover up. The first is definition of extraterrestrial life. Second, we will be seeing that why we need to know about this topic, how it will be going to help us in the present and the future. Now the third topic is astrobiology. Many people know about astronomy and astrophysics, but very few people know about astrobiology. So we will be seeing in detail that what astrobiology is. Keep watching the video to know more about it. Fourth, we have Panspermia hypothesis in our list. Well, this is the hypothesis according to which life can exist anywhere in the universe, and we will be seeing that how it is possible. Last is the Drake equation that is going to tell us that approximately how many intelligent civilization can exist in our galaxy, and this is the equation that will finally give us the answer that where are aliens. So now let us define extraterrestrial life. The meaning of extraterrestrial life is a hypothetical form of life which can exist outside the planet Earth, and it ranges from prokaryotic cell to more advanced civilization as compared to humanity. So if we see at the level of universe, then science fictions may become true. Now comes the important part of the video, that why do we need to know about it? Well, the first reason is because humans are curious in nature, and the second and the most important reason is that we do not know that in future human civilization will exist or not. So the best way to ensure the security of our civilization is that we find another civilization like us in the universe, so that in future if we face any trouble, then we can seek help from those civilizations. And this concept is not new. Even on this planet we see that the developed countries help the small countries if they face any trouble. The third point is that we can study more about creation and evolution of species like us if we find another. Now coming to astrobiology, you know that biology is a subject which deals with life and organisms on this planet. Well, astrobiology is nothing but the biology of the whole universe. It usually deals with the creation of organisms, their evolution and their fate. When dealing with the topic of extraterrestrial life, astrobiology is the major subject that people study. People studying biology or genetics can pursue a career in astrobiology. The salary of an astrobiologist ranges from $100,000 per annum to $150,000 per annum. In this photograph you can see a person. He is none other than Carl Sagan. Carl Sagan was an astrophysicist, astrobiologist, author and science communicator. He was the person responsible for popularizing science especially in field of extraterrestrial intelligence in the last century. He is also credited for the SETI Search for Extraterrestrial Research program. In the photograph you can see him with a model of Viking lander. Panspermia hypothesis states that the life exists all across the universe and it is distributed by comets and meteors. The picture that you can see here is actually of a meteorite. Well, the meteorite is said to be originated from Mars, and the sample of this meteorite contains some bacterial fossils. So this confirms that life exists beyond Earth also. Well, the name of the meteorite is Allen Hills. If you want to study more about this, you can go and search it on Google. Alright, this is the Drake equation, and there is no need to get confused. I will be explaining each and every term of this equation. Here n is the number of communicative civilizations, means the civilizations with whom we can communicate, and r is the rate of formation of a suitable star. Well, I will be describing rate of formation of a suitable star in more detail in the star formation video. Fy is the fraction of star with planet. Well, you might be wondering that if there is a star, then it must have planets. But actually in binary star system, the orbits of planet are not well organized. Thus, there are only few stars with a proper planetary system. Ne is the number of Earth-sized planet. Well, for a planet to support life, it is important that it should be equivalent to the size of planet Earth. Fl is the number of planet where actually life can develop. Well, this is related to the Goldilocks zone principle, which I will be explaining in later videos. Fi are the place where intelligent life can develop. It takes a good amount of time to develop an intelligent civilization. Even our human civilization is very new to this planet because the Homo sapiens species has came just 2 million years ago. Fc is the number of civilization with whom electrocommunication can be possible. Electrocommunication is important because it is the only mode of communication that human civilization is having right now. L is the lifetime of communicative civilization. We have already discussed that every civilization has a dead end. So before those kind of civilization get extinct or our civilization get extinct or both, we need to communicate with them. Radio telescopes are used to send and receive messages from outer space. You can see in the given picture that how a radio telescope looks. Well, I am not going to show the calculation related to this equation because it will be too long, but the answer of this calculation is approximately from 3000 to 10,000. Means there are approximately 3000 to 10,000 communicative civilizations present in our galaxy. So the only thing that is required is that we need to develop our technology so that we can reach to them.
Well, I hope you found the content of this video very much informative, and don't forget to like this video and share this video to your scientific minded friends.